Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So in this video, you'll see how you'll be able to develop a proper app with the help of Ionic and the React. Okay, so I have asked here develop complete mobile app and run both Android this. So I am looking for a suites and restaurant app, basically the delivery app, and I need login, registration page about us, contact us. So I asked this for detailed description here, and it created me here like this. And this I am going to use as a prompt there. Example one, I have used the template, the tab template you see here and here. So this is a chat GPT 4.1. This is Copilot, GitHub Copilot, and I have already given the command. And yes, now I am going to confirm this. Yes, go ahead. So the thing is, let's see how it will create and what all the feature it will give. Okay, so it just creates services created, and if I go to my directory here, I can see there. So under D, I can see mobile app. Yeah, and this is the two. So you also see here the under services it has created directly. Under SRC it has created directly here. So I will quickly go to SRC, then under services. So nothing is there as of now, but yeah, I think it will appear in sometimes. Then it has created this login.tsx. So this is the page basically you see. Okay, and now you see it also created a station. It also created and I have given the in the sequence like so all my pages goes to the page. Okay, I have given that command here. Order now pages. Okay, so organize the code into a logical directions like src pages, src components, src services. So I have given this kind of command, that is why it is organizing the files, okay, in a proper way. You still see here it is again, it is still working on it. Got it? So under src I can see the pages. So these are the pages basically: about us, contact us, home, login, register. Okay, and if I come to see my previous pages, I had three pages: tab 1, tab 2, tab 3, and this is also within it was already within in this one the pages. Now the component basically uh, here should be added. Okay, so then the services should be added here. Okay, so inquiry, if I come here, I see the inquiry pages. Under services I can see one file now. Earlier it was not there. So it is creating a menu. Right, order now page I can see. Okay, so inquiry pages I can also see here. So this is inquiry page with form like name, email, a message, and your inquiry has been sent once it is submitted. Okay. Right. So cart model it has created, and model again it will go to component. Okay. So it's a part of component, because I have given the command in the way. So things will be organized and it should be in a proper manner. So under component, I can see cart model have been added here. Earlier it was not. Then, so this is tabs page. I can see the tabs. So tabs I can see home, order now, contact us, about us. Got it? So these are the page, and you also see here href. If tab slash this, it will take you to the home page. And if you come to the pages, you'll find the home here. Okay. Similarly, you will find the inquiry. Correct. So home you can see, inquiry you can see, order you can see, contact you can see, about you can see. Okay. So these are the pages. So for now you got all the pages you can put here under pages. So okay, so we are talking about the directory structure. So most of the thing you'll be doing here will go within src. So under pages you can have your normal page, web page you say here, and screen basically you will see, you will say in the case of mobile, and the services will come within this. Then component will have here, then theme is not a new one, it's already there. So if I come to services, I can see menu. Okay. So this is now my this AI have generated all the code, and it is asking me to some input here. So sir text tab 1 tab 2 9 result. Okay. So the main structure of routing for a street and restaurant delivery are now set up, including logging, register, inquiry, and all tab page, home order, this. So we can model as dummy menu data, clean navigation, and code optimization. Next step will be clean up unusual default. Yeah. Okay, because currently you see here just one. Now nothing is coming because it just replaces automatically. Yeah, just clean up. Yes. So clean the unused default file. Also add logo and nice looking header footer. Right? Because it will not automatically. And from header option to go to top button in footer. Okay. Option to go to top button, because sometimes the page may be lengthy, so I will click on that and it will go to the top. Alright, so would you like me to process the yes? Hello. Also, I'm going to use PHP services. make all the necessary changes. Correct. So the new command I have given here, basically it is prompt, and yeah, it will doing the job for me because the previous one have stopped working. And if you come to the main site, you'll find the login here. Okay. Since this is a web, so in mobile basically we'll have in a proper way because I'm just developing a mobile app. Okay, so this is login page. Now if you click on the forget password, so there is nothing here. Registration is already here, so I can see registration page. Okay, so login, go back to. So all the missing I will be looking at one by one because I want everything to be function from the. Okay, so suppose first thing should be registration. So I will first finalize the database structures, the table structure. Then we'll come to the user registration page, and we'll see everything functioning around the registration. Like after registration, I will also see how the login should work, and then the forget password should be working. Yeah. Okay. So you still see it is still working. So I missed the forget password page to give there. So it should supposed to be here. Alright. So this is menu. So we'll keep exploring each and every file so you'll have it, the clear idea. So sweets, cake, food. So we'll see this is coming data like this. Yeah, and this is a price. So basically this is a cart. So sweet will have this, cake will have this. Yeah, so this is basically the category under which category sweet category, category, fast food category, beverage. So and this is the item gulab jamun, rasgulla, chocolate cake, veg burger, French fry, cold coffee, mango shake. Okay, so these are the thing basically it has added here. So you can add this one here. And but in case you want the dynamic data from any language like the I just mentioned here, I want to use the PHP language. In case you want to use the Java, in case you want to use Node, Express or any other thing, you can also do that. Okay, so this is basically the dynamic data will come up here. So currently it is just showing me here the static one, but yeah, this is fine. So you can also, in case you have a very limited stuff, so you can also go with having the static here. But in case something you'll have to change here, again you will come to the code side and do the change, and will follow the complete step like from making a changes, doing testing, then updating a code on the live. So that will be risky. So it should be the dynamic one because this is not an easy job. Yeah. So now API it has added on my request. So let's see what it says. So API, let's say this is the path, and the post data will come up here. Okay. Correct. So we'll see here. It's an update to take this one. If you go to the pages, you'll see you still see the these pages, and it is being updated. So maybe something new will be added here. Yeah. So to be very clear here, I don't have any knowledge around the web development, but the series of the video I have created there, and if you follow, you'll be able to achieve this development part. So let me come to that my YouTube channel. So recently I started learning, so you can also start doing the same thing. So you can learn there, and if you come to the playlist here, I have created a playlist for the Android development or mobile app development, and the first video is here. Yeah, so this one. So this is the five video you will find in here. The first video you'll find the part one, then the part two will have, then part three, then study creator how the types of design template you can go for. So there are three types basically. So you'll have to pick from the default template. You can go for that. Then the UI app component in app. So we have explained here what all the UI component you can go for. And now this is the part we have created actual code here, and so with the help of just AIs. Okay, because our main purpose is to app build app faster with AI. So if you have that efficiency using the help of AI, then why doing coding from just type from scratch? You can use the tool like this, and even these are the one I am using is the free plan in my case as of now. But yeah, it's still doing the code for me. So first I will try creating the UI part and achieve all the UI part. Then we will be moving to doing the backend part. Okay. So I see here the one missing stuffs. See the forget part is not here. Password not working. Okay. So now I should have asked for this one, but I forget that one. So mobile number is compulsory here because so you can check each and everything here, and you can suggest because AI is not something will be doing automatically for you. It will be doing only for the one you give the prompt. That means the command you give, it will be only doing for that. Alright. Now again back to here. You see it is started creating. So I guess it is adding in the order. So about us, contact us. Okay, so it has on top you see this is the menu. So I asked for adding logo, clean up all this now. Okay, so cleanup means all the default files. Now it is empty. So if I come to open this, so not this. Yeah. Okay. So it says. So I see one problem cleanup complete, and a fed are these button are added in all main pages. Okay. So now let's refresh here and see what it changes. Yeah, nothing changes here. Maybe this is login. So once I'm done with the login, I can see here. So it has added the nice footer. You see, and the order now tab I can see here like this. Okay, so contact us. I can see like this. About us is something I can see like this. Okay. So in case you want to change the order, like you want these buttons to be available on the top menu, you can also go for that one. Okay. So if I add this sweet gulab jamun, rasgulla, then under category, you see the count is increasing here. Okay. And if you come to see, if I click on that, I can go to check out. Yeah, so it is working fine enough. And it is very interesting with this the development. So not just for the mobile application, you can also go for hosting this as a web app. Okay, because it's looking nice. And here, so I also want to make the profile. Okay, so I can suggest the changes here. So from where I will be able to log out, I'm not sure. Maybe something here. Okay, so this is the logo. It has given me the placement. I can change the logo here. Yeah, of course I'll be able to do that. So it added a src logo, so I'll have to paste my logo here. Okay, so let's say this logo I have created, I can use this one. Yeah, yeah. And the file name they have given here, the logo.png. So I'll quickly rename it to the logo. I'll be using here under assets the logo. Yeah, so I just replace that whatever the default one was coming with my actual logo, and now you see it is appearing here. Okay, so this logo is not working correctly for me. So I'll be doing here the remove background. So let me quickly remove the background. Oops, this is not the one. I have to. I have renamed that one. So this is the logo. Yeah. So background removal. Then only I think it properly it should be here. Yeah, download. It's look fine. So let's say the one, and this is just the logo. Okay. So again I paste it here, and yeah, I see with no background. And if I come here, I can see the change. But the visibility is not much well. Why? Because I am developing an app here. I am using the web browser. Okay, so incoming video you can change because we have already the placement. You just have to paste here whatever whichever the image you want to go with. You just have to paste here, and name should be the logo.png. So this is all how we'll be able to use the logo here. Now, so this is suggesting me, so it's still missing. Yeah, so order now. So what is the, yeah, so create cart model order now. Go ahead with creating cart model and order now. Also fix order now dot sx issue, add mobile number on the registration page. First, because registration page is missing, so add registration page. Oh, sorry, registration page is here. So add mobile number on registration page. So forget password is not here. Yeah, so logout is also not here. So simply I'll be doing here. So forget password is missing. Add forget password page. Add manage profile page. Add logout button functionality. Page and functionality. Everything I want here. So if I ask for the adding page, I want the functionality too. Okay, so logout, manage profile, history, order history, functionality I also want, personalities. Also suggest if anything is payment option will be scan code option. Okay, so UPI. Correct. So I just press here, and anything I will be missing, I will again asking to do the change. But for now, I want this one. And you see here, so how quickly the AI is doing this stuff. So with this only, you'll have to invest lots of hours, like at least a month, I guess. So earlier 2 3 years back, but now you see here AI doing job. You just have to give the prompt here. So maybe you will be putting some more effort around the dynamic one. But yeah, once you do for one as a sample example, it will be doing those work also. Okay, so now coming to see here my app again. So registration, I see name, email. So I have asked here for adding the phone number. So going forward, I can also ask here to add the captcha. So that is again not that much of big deal for AI. So it will also be changed here very soon. Okay, so first thing, the target is to create a very normal thing, and you see here nice button at the bottom end. So some button will be added like the logout and the history checking. Or yeah, so card design doesn't look much better here because some button is here but not at that visual. Okay, so if I add this four item, if I come here, I can see the price. If I go to two, it will be 100. Then again two rasgulla, one chocolate cake, one burger, two. So you see here, each and every calculation is doing fine. Yeah. If I click on the checkout, so this is not something it's working because I have just asked to make the change, and yeah, it is doing the change here. So cart model, this cart model TTX. Okay, so and where the model will be going. So if you come to see the path and the component, it should supposed to be services. I'll find here all the APIs. We'll write Under component, I can say app footer, app header, cart model. So these are three have been created. If I come to see the, the footer one, you can see like this. Okay. So now I am creating this one as a menu tab here. Okay. So tab as a menu I have used here. So the tab design type of template is this. So that is why it added here on the footer. But in case you'll be adding the different the template and how you can go about the template, you can go check here the these two video you can check. Okay, how you'll be deciding on the templates, you can watch this one and you'll have idea. All right, so forget password, now you see it is added. And yeah, we were doing the job. Profile, yeah, it is added as requested. Order history is added. Now still some work in progress. Correct. So home, about us, contact us. So you can change these orders if you need. So contact us maybe. So maybe home, maybe that's this one. You can add some nice looking picture here on the home page, and maybe you can highlight the items here. List out the items here. Like order now, you see the items. So you can list out some image here along with the items. You can add the images here so it looks nice. So you can give the prompt to this AI Copilot to do that change, and yeah, it will be doing for you. Well, so how you liking is the main thing here. In case you love watching, yeah, you want any suggestion around, you want something special, please ask me here in the comment box, and yeah, I will try covering that in the coming videos for sure. Okay, so I will wait here for the output of this, and now you see it completed and what all it completes. I will go through that. Yeah, now I don't see any issue here. So if I quickly come to see, the completed part is card model is present and imported correctly in order now. So registration page now include the phone number, yes. So the forget password, manage profile, and order page I created. App header has now profile, order now, and logout button. Yeah. So actually, even I was looking on the header side, not here on the footer side. Okay, and I see here. So if I can see some issue. So fix the QR code string concatenate word bug in cart model, suggesting add push notification or status tracking and address management form. Yeah. So this is something coming. Yeah, some error will also be coming. It is asking me to this unexpected token. API this. Correct. So I want. So this is something it has already given here. With this issue will be saying. So suggest apps push notification or status tracking, address management. Yeah. So I will ask the QR code. Can't you not put the simple QR code. Yeah, so you can remove the QR code. So actually, I was looking for the captcha, but I missed term at that time. So add captcha, simple captcha, load page, and sign up page, and also this. Correct. And also add push notifications, order tracking, order status tracking, and address management for more complete delivery app. Alright, so I'm just going the captcha maybe simple adding two numbers. So I'm asking here adding or add or subtracts. Let's see two numbers. So I am also giving the suggestion here for the cats. I don't want something big. I just want just keep the two numbers and either go for the addition and subtraction. And in the correct answer, it should be pass. Okay, but let's see how this AI behaves. So I just press enter here. Yeah, so you see here how quickly this created me app for me, and so and in case something goes wrong, like some issue will facing, I can simply paste there and it will react on that and fix that. So that is also something available. But this is giving me here to go and do some, yeah. Alright, so capside has given me. So actually I don't go through the complete what it say string curtains and what. Yeah. So sweet this. So what if you scan this one? So this is one. So you can test like this and you can give the command as much as you want. So this is forget password, and if I type my email it will send me the link. And even now, yeah, you see here. So 7 2, let's say 8. What is incorrect? Yeah, 7 2 is 9. Yes. Now it passes me. Okay, so this is something you can have an idea how you are going to make the changes in your app. You can just give the command here and AI will be doing job for you. But this is just design and the static part. So I will do perform. Yeah, of course we'll have that video. So I'll be also doing interacting with the DB and the web services. I'm interacting with the actual process how it will be behaving and will doing. Okay. So now I can see, yeah. So UPI QR code is removed from the cart. Simple order is shown instead. So fix the QR code string code in this. Okay. So next step, I don't think it considered me in the previous. So I can type here. Yeah. or something like this. Okay, so again I will be asking because this is not fixing the thing I was looking. So I want to add this color. So add this color as a header. So add this color as header. Also add one more tab, make payment. Oh, we'll be doing that in a later. Okay, so you see here a nice header footer coming, and if you come to see the header how it looks like in the devices, we'll have here this. So let's wait for another 2 3 minutes. So the header background color is now set to this, the clean. All I can text for this. What does that mean? So this color. Yeah, but this is again not appearing here. So maybe I will do the logout. Try login again. Nope, still not changed. Oops. Okay, so you can type something like this. And if you come to incognito mode, you see here, it say it is here. Please clear the cache. So it is asking for clearing the cache. So let me do clear the cache here because anything you change around the CSS and the JS probably both in both the cases you'll require clearing the caches. Nothing happens. Replace or clear cache, but still fix this. So ideally I should have not type here the policeman. Okay, okay. Yes, so now it has changed everything here. Okay, so if you see this app, you'll find the things is correctly placed now for you. Okay, so let's log out here. So, so it's overlapping. So you can also ask for this. Some header buttons are overlapping. Okay, so order, so card is being overlapped there. Now you can see you have well functioning your mobile app for the order management around the hotel and the restaurant. Alright. So this is profile page, this is home page, this is order history. You can check here, and this is your address, and this is your blog. You can also go for adding blog page listing, make this more better UI. So you can ask for, so and this is for the testimonials, what people are talking about, and this is logout. Forget password. We'll also check here and make sure everything remain in the place and it work well in the coming video. So yeah, so that's it from this video. If you love or like my video, you can subscribe and hit the notification bell for so that you can get the future update. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.